Football winnings. That's what we're going to work on, football winnings. Brad Williams, XL Prime. What are we doing? We're going to use the VLOOKUP. If we win, show me that we won. If we didn't win, show me no winnings. If 9, you can see. If you win, you show me the money. If you lose, no winnings. Simple VLOOKUP, but here we incorporated no winning indication. We did an XLOOKUP. We did a VLOOKUP previously. We had an NA error in the VLOOKUP because we didn't use the if error. It's optional, but I encourage you to incorporate it, especially when you're doing anything with an approximate match with VLOOKUP. I encourage you to put an if error there because you're working in a range and you know there's a possibility of no outcome. And if you have no outcome, you're going to get an NA error, and you don't want an NA error. Always try to incorporate that. I do it out of habit. All we're doing is saying, look, what's the football score? 34. Here we have football score. If the score is 34, in this case, we're using an exact match. Either an exact or not, you still want an outcome here, because if the score here, and it's a random number, it could be 41, we're looking for an exact match. We don't want an approximate match. Why? Well, because you either win or you lose. This is a zero-sum game. So there's either a winner or not. If it's using an approximate match, imagine the house and taking bets and given, well, you were within the range. You as the house would never survive very long. This is an exact match, and if it doesn't match exactly, well, then you lose. So the question here is, what are we looking for? Here are your scores. There's duplicates. That can create all kinds of problems because you're seeing 40-40, and there's a screw up here, because if you have both scores, are you winning 47 or are you only winning 31? This is only an example. Don't put any emphasis on it. If it's 40, then it's probably going to give you the lower scores. So let's just screw around here and let's see if we can come up with anything that matches a tie. There's a way to work around it. It wouldn't suffice here because of this setup. All we're trying to do is show an exact match. Here we have 40, no win, no win, no win. 39, you could see we have a duplicate. So it's a first match. Not a big deal. Not important here. But down the road, we have to fix that. If there's a duplicate, if there's a tie, you would have to have an outcome. We have 39, you win $54. Let's see if we can do another one. 27, nope, no win. 35, only one showing. 28, only one. 31, 34, 40, only one. 30, only one. 28, I'm only going to do this a couple more times. 31, only one. And 24, 29, only one. 29, 38, no ties. What we're doing here, here's the VLOOKUP, F4. We're looking up $38. Where? B5 to C10. Column 2, exact match. That's it. No mystery there. So we find $38, and 38, you win $60. Brad Williams, XL Prime, thanks a lot.